How to contact BMO Bank customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact BMO Bank's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact BMO Bank customer service, it is very simple for us to do so. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to just open up our browser and go to BMO Bank customer service, and you'll find these options over here. So what you have to do from here is you can just see directly their number at the very top instead. So you can see, you can call this number by pausing this video, or you can see outside the US, you have another number. Otherwise, you can also tap on their contact us link, which will take you to the support page, which is the contact page. And you can scroll down until you find their phone number respectively. So you can see for general inquiries, you can call this number. For credit card inquiries, you can call these two numbers. So these are the numbers that you might want to contact. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can contact BMO Bank's customer service. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.